Auzu billahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Which country ranks top in the Economist Democracy Index 2023? Norway is the top most democracy index country 2023 year. Electron was discovered by Joseph Thomson. Electron was discovered by Joseph Thomson. Who invented optical fiber? Mcqs invented the optical fiber. Who discovered electromagnetic nature of light? Maxwell. Maxwell determined the electromagnetic nature of light. Who is the father of cellular phone? Martin Cooper. Father of cellular phone, Martin Cooper. Gunpowder was invented by Roger Bacon was invented the gunpowder. Meteorology is the science of Meteorology is the study of weather. Who discovered solar system? Discovered the solar system. Copernicus scientists discovered the solar system. Most abundant element in the universe. Most abundant element in the universe, hydrogen. Parliament of Afghanistan is called Jirga. Which of the following president Pakistan first went to Russia? Ayub Khan, first president who visit Russia. The following district Harappa is located. Harappa is located in the district of Saiwal. Instrument used for measuring very high temperature. Measuring very high temperature is by pyrometer. The planet which is easily visible from the Earth. The solar system planet Venus is easily visible from the Earth. Biosensor is used to measure blood glucose level. What is dry ice? Carbon dioxide. Dry ice is solid carbon dioxide. Digestion of food is completed in the small intestine. Digestion of food is completed in the small intestine. Deficiency of dash causes loss of appetite and poor growth. Deficiency of zinc causes loss of appetite and poor growth. The good sources of iodine are seafoods. Good sources of iodine are seafoods. When Lahore-Islamabad motorway was opened to public traffic? 1997. Lahore-Islamabad motorway was opened 1997. Who became the first Pakistani to travel to space? Was the first Pakistani who traveled to space. Dash are called the powerhouses of the cell. Mitochondria are called the powerhouses of the cell. Copper can be converted into gold by radioactivity. Copper can be converted into gold by artificial radioactivity. Bronze medal is made up of tin. Bronze medal is made up of copper and tin. Gas is used in the decorating bulb. Thanks a lot for watching my video.